Welcome to this week's edition of Lung and Respiratory Health Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucidquest. Sanofi Korea has received regulatory approval to expand the use of Dupixent as a maintenance therapy for adults with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, who present with high eosinophil counts. This marks a significant milestone, as Dupixent becomes the first approved biologic therapy for COPD. The approval is based on data from the Phase 3 Boreas and Notice trials, which demonstrated significant reductions in exacerbation rates and meaningful improvements in lung function. Patients reported rapid improvement as early as week 2, with benefits sustained through week 52, alongside an enhanced quality of life. Promixin, an inhaled antibiotic used to treat Pseudomonas aeruginosa infections in cystic fibrosis and other chronic lung conditions, will be discontinued by May 2025. The decision follows the planned phase-out of INEB devices, which are required for administering the drug. While alternative treatments like colisum and colimicin remain available, their supply is currently limited. Healthcare providers are advised to transition patients by April 30, 2025, and ensure adequate training on new delivery devices to avoid treatment gaps. SMSbiotech has received approval to initiate a Phase 1 clinical trial for its novel stem cell therapy in COPD. The trial, set to begin in Australia, will be the first human study using small mobile stem cells. It will evaluate safety and tolerability in patients with mild to moderate COPD. These SMS cells are designed to regenerate damaged lung tissue, potentially reversing the progression of COPD. If successful, this could represent a significant leap forward in developing disease-modifying treatments for chronic lung disease. Zentria has announced the completion of enrollment in its Phase 1A/2B trial for XmAb16, a TNF-alpha blocking monoclonal antibody developed to treat pulmonary sarcoidosis. A total of 39 patients have been enrolled across 17 sites in 4 countries. The study will be featured at the 2025 American Thoracic Society Conference. XmAb16 aims to disrupt the inflammatory cascade and slow granuloma formation, providing a novel therapeutic approach to managing sarcoidosis. In tuberculosis research, the first patient has been dosed in a Phase 2 clinical trial evaluating Alpibector in combination with standard first-line TB therapies. Conducted by Bioversus in collaboration with GSK, the 14-day trial seeks to enhance the efficacy of existing treatments by overcoming drug resistance mechanisms. Supported by the Unite4TB Consortium and the European Union, the study will continue through the end of 2025. Positive outcomes could pave the way for a new treatment strategy for multi-drug-resistant tuberculosis. Paratech Pharmaceuticals is set to acquire Optinos in a deal valued at up to $330 million, offering a potential return of $14 per share to Optinos investors. The acquisition aims to bolster Paratech's respiratory portfolio, especially after the recent label expansion of Shantz. Originally approved for chronic rhinosinusitis with nasal polyps, Shantz is now approved for CRS without nasal polyps as well, expanding its addressable market by nearly tenfold. Paratech plans to utilize its national sales force to accelerate market penetration, positioning itself as a multi-product specialty pharmaceutical leader. Stay ahead in lung and respiratory health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.